Welcome, welcome one and all. Ben here, Ambionics, and I was up late last night fiddling around with this, and I did not expect for one moment that when I posted a video that I'd actually get some comments. So thank you very much to Tyler and Jonathan, respectively on LinkedIn and YouTube, for the advice. I've actually incorporated it. So one of the go-to pieces of advice that I'm going to have to probably fall back on in case it goes wrong is to actually just switch to a seat post, a quick release seat post clamp. So that would just eliminate any need to do any design work other than to marry up this to something that fits to the bearing. So in terms of the advice last night, it was pointed out that the three lobe, thank you for that word, Tyler, the three lobe design might have a little bit of a steep incline here. So when these teeth rotate and bite into the TPU, it might be asking it to do too much too soon. So we're going to go for a more gentle angle. And following Tyler's advice, I've gone for five lobes now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 teeth to bite down on a much shallower pitch. So if you look there, the tolerances are a lot tighter, so it's going to be fiddly dialing it in. But thankfully, I have some TPU now printing just a small ring to see if it'll fit around the 25mm pipe. In terms of how that changes the design at the back, so previously the irregular shape was being relied on exclusively to seat into this sliding hinge. Because that's not going to be the case now. I mean, it's barely discernible that you've actually got any lobes there at all, so it would probably just rotate around on the spot. So I've just put this little lug here, which recesses into what I'm calling the distal hinge. So we've got another change as well is that the lobes themselves are also helical. So we've gone for helical teeth and helical lobes. Now, the thing that was I was going through my mind this morning is, what if I switched this pattern around? Would that work? If I changed these to run counter to that, am I just being silly now? So I had a look at it and couldn't see any particular benefits, but that's something to consider. Is that at the minute we have these working on a twist angle on the sweep path of minus 72 degrees. What if I just did it 72 degrees so that the cam lobes were going one way and the splines inside the linear bearing were running the opposite direction? So that's something I could possibly try. The other option was to have no splines at all and just rely on a slide fit, and then any interference from the cam is just going to push down where it pushes down and not have to worry about the teeth so much, or the splines, sorry. So there we are, that's day 3 updates. Thank you very much for the comments. I do respond as quickly as I can, and I was very impressed with the feedback that I got last night, and I'm confident now that this first print is going to be a success. So stay tuned. I will keep posting videos as I'm working on it. So I've got a full-time job that I'm working on, but in all of my spare time when I'm not with the kids now is going to be doing this. So yeah, like, subscribe, make sure you share this, get other engineers or budding engineers interested in the design work process. And thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Cheers guys, have a great weekend.